welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going on an adventure. Whoa! Could I hold it? What's in those ones?
What is that?
A butterfly and a cheetah.
Is that a cheetah or is that a fox?
A cheetah, a
Okay.
fox.
Yeah.
A cheetah and a fox.
Yeah, what else can you
Looks here. What's here? A leaf. That's cool. Wow, look at that.
What
A
is that?
snail.
Yeah, is that a drawing of a snail?
Oh, look at those.
This says Mason's Forest Venture.
Yes.
And
So
what do we
let's
have? So what do we have? What are the things that we have to find on the adventure? What are all of the things we have to find?
go? We got to find
That's conkers.
conkers, leaves.
The color leaves do we have pine cone, some twigs, and a feather.
We need to go and find things. Come on, go outside and find. Because we got umbrella. We got to find those because it's a little tricky. Let's go find it. We found the acorn.
Put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag.
And
This is like a mouthful.
in the bag.
We found some acorns.
Okay, what next? What we got to find?
We need to find a stone.
All right.
This is so much fun.
You have
Let's
to,
go find some more stuff. Come on. We didn't find any pine cones and we didn't find any conkers. We got acorn, a stone, a feather, a branch, a leaf, a leaf, a leaf. That's all we got. So that's it all. So that's good. That's good. Okay. See you guys next time.
so you have to say see you guys next time again.
See you guys next time. Put it lower. And lower. Daddy! You're being silly!
Okay. Look, okay.
Put it down now!
You can't
You're
kick
being
it.
silly!
I'm being silly. You're being silly. Okay. Good. Okay, good.